Bienvenido a la clase de español. Soy Señora Coleman. Welcome to Spanish class. Today we're going to be answering the question, ¿A dónde vas?, which means, where are you going? So, to answer the question, where are you going, we of course need the verb to go, which in Spanish is ir. Repita, ir. So what do you think repita meant? It means to repeat. So I'm going to ask you to be doing that a lot in this video, because as I've said before, if you've watched other videos of mine, you can't learn a language in your head. You've got to say it out loud and practice. So make sure you're practicing out loud and saying it out loud, and the more you do it, the easier it will get. So let's try again. The verb to go is ir. Repita, ir. Muy bien. All right, so in order to answer the question, not only do we need the verb to ir, but we also need places to talk about. So I chose 4 common places. We'll go through that vocabulary and then continue on to answering the question. So the first one, el café. Repita, el café. Good, so this one's an easy one for English speakers because the word is the same, café, a place where you'd go get coffee, tea, a light breakfast. This picture happens to take place in Madrid. The second one, la playa. Repita, la playa. So as hopefully you can tell from the picture, la playa means beach. This is a beach in Santander, which is northern Spain. Beautiful place if you ever get a chance to go. But playa doesn't look like the English word beach, but it looks like play, right? And we like to play at the beach, so that's an easy way to remember it. La playa is beach. And if you do that as you're learning vocabulary words in Spanish, if you connect it to a little story or a word you know or something that it makes you think of, I guarantee you'll remember the words a lot longer. So the next one, el cine. Repita, el cine. This one is movie theater. This is a movie theater in Madrid. You can kind of see all the movie posters on the front. And cine looks like the word cinema in English. So that's an easy way to remember it. El cine is movie theater. And the last one that we're going to work with today is la biblioteca. Repita, la biblioteca. Good job. So this is a beautiful library in Madrid. I love how the shelves are circular, but again, it doesn't look like the English word library, but it does look like another word you might think of, Bible. Bible is a book. There are books in a library. So there you go. La biblioteca, library. All right, so back to our question, ¿A dónde vas? This means, where are you going? And to answer it, I'm just going to give a couple of examples, and you tell me if you can figure out what they mean. ¿A dónde vas? Voy a la biblioteca. ¿A dónde vas? Yo voy al cine. ¿A dónde vas? Yo voy al café. ¿A dónde vas? Voy a la playa. So these are all in the yo form, the I form. So the question, where are you going? I am going to the library. I am going to the movie theater. I am going to the cafe. And I am going to the beach. You might notice that sometimes I use yo and sometimes I don't. Either one is fine. And also the difference when you see a, la, and al. So let's talk about that for a minute. Why did I use a, la? And why did I use al? So in Spanish, whenever you have the two words a and el together, you have to change it to al. We have something like it in English. For example, can and not. If you want to, you could make that can't, but you don't have to. But the difference is in Spanish, you have to. It's a grammatical rule. So whenever you have a, el, you have al. So for example, if you want to say, I'm going to the cafe, The cafe is el café. So it would be yo voy al café. A is to, el is the, al. And then this is easy, but whenever you have a and la, it just stays. A, la. You don't combine them. So, back to answering the question, we need to use ir, the verb to go. So if you want to say, I'm going to, yo voy a. To say, you are going to, tú vas a. Él va a, ella va a, usted va a. He is going to, she is going to, you are going to. Usted obviously being the more formal you. The last couple, nosotros vamos a, we are going to. Vosotros vais a, you are going to. Ellos van, ellas van, ustedes van. They are going to, and you are going to. So obviously these slides are here for you to always refer back, always watch again if you need to, but I wanted you just to see them all in one place before we do some examples. So take a look at this picture. ¿A dónde va Eduardo? Where's Eduardo going? So take a look at the picture. See if you can answer out loud. ¿A dónde va Eduardo? We, of course, want to say Eduardo is going to the library. Eduardo va a la biblioteca. Va is the he form of the verb ir. Let's try another one. ¿A dónde van? Take a look at the picture. Where are they going? Well, they're already there. So how would we say they are going to the beach? Ellos van a la playa. Couple more examples. Take a look at Ana. ¿A dónde va Ana? Where's Ana going? Ana va al café. Notice that al. ¿A dónde vamos? Where are we going? So they're obviously at a movie theater. How do you think you'd answer that? ¿A dónde vamos? Nosotros vamos al cine. So, can you list a few places in Spanish? Let's try it. Say them out loud. How would you say the cafe? El café. What about the movie theater? El cine. The library? La biblioteca. And the beach? La playa. So can you list those places in Spanish? If not, go ahead and go back to the first couple slides when we went over them. Can you list the forms of ir for each person or group of people? So for yo, be voy. What about for tú? Vas. El, ella, usted. Va. Nosotros. Vamos. Vosotros. Vais. And ellos, ellas, ustedes. Van. Again, if you got stuck on any of those, go back a couple slides where I listed them all and just keep repeating them out loud. Practice, practice, practice. I hope this helped. Adios.